Diabetic, do not panic. When we eat, food travels in the stomach. Food is made of two basic nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. During digestion, carbohydrates are broken down into sugar, otherwise known as glucose. Carbohydrates includes foods such as bread, rice, potatoes, fruits, milk, and yogurt. In the normal digestive process, sugar travels from the stomach through the bloodstream to your body's muscle and fat cells. However, sugar can't enter these cells without the help of a special hormone called insulin, which is produced by the pancreas. Insulin acts like a key, unlocking the doors to the muscle and fat cells and allowing the sugar to enter the cells, then use this sugar as fuel to provide energy for the body. When this process is functioned properly, sugar entering the broken bloodstream from the stomach is able to exit the bloodstream at the muscle and fat. In this manner, the body is concentration. In this manner, the body is regulate the body. Now let's see what happens in a person with the diabetes. Sugar enters the bloodstream, but one of the two things happens. The pancreas does not produce a sufficient quantity of insulin to match the sugar entering the bloodstream, or the body cells do not respond to the insulin body. In both cases, the result is a sink cell. The cell remains closed, causing sugar to get backed up in the blood sugar. As a result, blood sugar levels rises. This creates several problems because sugars are not able to enter your body cells. Your body is getting tired or fatigued. Your body may try to dilute the excess sugar in the bloodstream but load out of your cells. This can be feeling dehydrated and thirsty. Most importantly, overtime exposure to high blood sugar levels can cause damage to your bloodstreams or to your vital signs, such as your eyes, kidneys, nerves, and heart. If not controlled properly, this diabetes can lead to serious complications such as blindness, amputations, kidney failure, heart attack, and stroke. In order to avoid these complications, people with diabetes must take steps to keep their blood sugar levels. One way to do this is diet. By reducing the amount of carbohydrates you need in a single meal or snack, you can regulate the amount of sugar entering the bloodstream and prevent your body's insulin. Limiting high sugar foods such as cake, pie, soda, and chocolates. Another way to regulate blood sugar is to exercise. Physical activities makes your body's muscle and fat cells more receptive to insulin. In other words, those muscles and fat cells that wouldn't open before, but now they will. Finally, your doctor may prescribe oral medications to increase your supply of insulin, to regulate the amount of sugar entering the bloodstream, or make your body cells more receptive to the insulin your body is producing. In some cases, insulin shots may also be necessary. Okay, let's review. We've talked about what diabetic is. Diabetes is a condition where the body does not produce enough receptive to the insulin being produced. We've seen that what complications can arise from it, such as fatigue, dehydration, and damage to vital organs. Finally, we've discussed the damage to vital organs to manage through diet, exercise, and medications. One way to do this is diet. By reducing the amount of carbohydrates you need in a single meal or snack, you can regulate the amount of sugar entering the bloodstream and prevent your body's insulin supply from the overwhelmed. This may mean limiting high sugar foods such as cake, pie, candy, and soda.